Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today we are going to do a emissions deregulations update of one of the bills that has been presented to Congress that we're just waiting to see what's going to be going on and hopefully it gets passed. But we're going to go over the Transportation Freedom Act that's been in Congress and where it's at right now, what we could expect, and really what's going to happen if it does end up passing. So stay tuned. We're going to go over that in this bill. And there has been some emissions deregulations news that's been happening in the past week with President Trump. We're going to cover a tad bit of that in this video, but I'm going to also update or upload another video coming up very soon that explains really what it was or what's really going to be going on. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, share. Don't forget, I am giving away a Gulu OBD2 Bluetooth scan tool. This has bidirectional capabilities. What I really like about this is the capability of resetting the electronic parking brake. That's my favorite function about this. But you could reset a lot of parts that are being put on. You could do the relearn process with a lot of parts, such as the throttle body, some alternators, some batteries, stuff like that. You could do that with this scan tool, which is very helpful. I really like that about this scan tool. Now, I'm going to be giving away one of these on December 9th. The evening of December 9th, I'm going to choose a winner. Look for a link in the description or in the first comment. Get over to the video that I'm giving away this in. All you got to do is comment to be entered to win this. But get this, Gulu hit me up and said, hey, we really appreciate you giving away our products and we would like to give you a coupon code to give to your viewers. So if you look for a link look for the coupon code in the description or that first comment and you use my coupon code and you have Prime, right now for a limited time, these are going to be $29.99 with my coupon code and Prime. Go pick one of these up. Super cheap, super useful. You're going to like it. I promise. Also, Pornhub. I just found out. So, ExpressVPN/Scotty's Hobbies. Don't raw dog the internet. And on that subject, if you want to watch stuff that's banned in certain cities, certain states, ExpressVPN, you could change your location with that and view anything in the world in a banned state. Just saying. So go check out expressvpn.com/Scotty's Hobbies for a discount for you guys to get on a VPN, and you could do a ton of stuff with it. Be safe scouring the internet for stuff. Don't let hackers get your information. Don't let websites steal your information. And just be private while you're out there browsing the interweb using a VPN. expressvpn.com/Scotty's Hobbies. Go check it out. Link in the description and first comment as well. Okay. To this important information. The Transportation Freedom Act. We all know this is the original bill right after Trump took office and all the deregulation was going to be put in place. We're going to be able to do anything to our vehicles, diesel deletes, and I'm not sure if you remember the rumors out there. There was some inside people saying that this Transportation Freedom Act was going to be included in the big, beautiful bill, and it was going to get passed. They're going to slide it through with all that, which was a ton of BS, right? We all know that. All right, so the Transportation Freedom Act was introduced to the Senate on, February 25th, 2025. As it is right now, where's it at? We're going to go over that in a minute. But what would this bill do if it passed? So there's a lot that this bill would do. This bill is probably people's least favorite emissions deregulations bill that's out there. And personally, it is mine too. I like to focus more on just deregulation rather than adding a bunch of fat to a bill. And this bill has a bunch of fat included into it. And of course, my heater just turned on. It's freezing cold in California. It's like 51 degrees. Actually, it's 47 degrees outside. So the heater's constantly running. So if my voice has changed, it's because I got background noise. And I'm sorry about that. So the Transportation Freedom Act, introduced into Congress on February 25th, 2025. What this bill would do is a few things. First off, if you are working in the automotive industry and but if you worked in the automotive industry on vehicles that were not imported into the United States or are built in the United States. So if the vehicle's built in the United States, you're working on that, you're on the production line, you're a part of that process, you could write off up to 200% of your income, I believe it was, on taxes. So you're pretty much not taxed as an automotive industry worker if this bill passes. As well as all that, on top of the taxes and the great incentives for the automotive industry, the other perk to the automotive industry is this bill would erase pretty much all emissions regulations in the United States as it is right now. It gets rid of California's waivers, it gets rid of the federal emissions, gets rid of everything, and makes it so that within, I believe it was 130 or 180 days after this bill was enacted, the federal EPA has to come up, or the feds have to come up with new emission standards that is a blanket for the whole United States. Not just a 49 state legal vehicle or a California vehicle. It has to be a blanket for everybody. So it's going to be a new emission standard that the federal EPA is going to come up with. On top of that, the CAFE standards. The CAFE standards will be rewritten, relearned, and all that. But a little caveat to the CAFE standards, President Trump just proposed a change in the CAFE standards. So I'm going to go over that in this next video that I'm going to be making in just a moment. There's a little bit to it. It sounds really good. It is really good, but I just want to explain to you guys what it really does. So I wanted to take some time, make sure I learned about it before I brought a video to you on that. But that's going to be on the next one. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Check out the video library. It's going to be coming out real soon if it's not there. So the Transportation Freedom Act. I've already said it a few times. You got the 200% tax deduction on wages eligible in the American automotive work industry. You get the emissions deregulations and a whole federal standard. And where is it at right now? So let me get over to congress.gov and look up S.711. So February 25th, it was read twice and referred to the Committee on Finance. As it is right now, so today is November, 7th? Yes, November 7th. This bill is still in the Committee on Finance. If you look at the Committee on Finance calendar, it's nowhere on the calendar to be spoken of, to be heard, to have any conversation about, nothing like that. And like I said before, there was rumors going out there from people that don't know what they're talking about that this bill was being talked about behind closed doors and it was going to be included in the big beautiful bill. We're going to see emissions deregulations and we're going to be able to do diesel deletes and all that when the big beautiful bill passes. And the only thing they really took out of the Transportation Freedom Act and included in the big beautiful bill was a change to the CAFE standards. That's it. Nothing else. I kept telling you guys, there's other people out there on YouTube that don't understand what is going on. They don't, when they read stuff, they just read it and they come up with these opinions that you guys really want to hear and get a ton of clicks, but it's completely non-factual information. So make sure to stay tuned. If this bill makes any progress at all, it gets heard in committee, it starts passing through the Senate, anything like that, as it is, Congress has until the end of next year. We have one more year. It's almost the end of the year right now. Did I say it was November 7th? It's December 7th. I hope I'm not messing this whole thing up. So the giveaway for the Gulu is December 9th. I hope I said that right. I'm like a month off right now. Okay, so it's December 7th right now. We have one more year for anything to get moving. Transportation Freedom Act has been there for almost a year. Is anything going to move on this? What do you guys think is really going on? Don't forget, comment below, like, subscribe, share. Go get entered on the Gulu giveaway. Check out expressvpn.com/Scotty's Hobbies so you don't raw dog the internet. You can see shows from all around the world and you can get to banned content in states here in the United States. Go check it out. Like, subscribe, share. Check out Scotty's Hobbies for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulations videos. And I will see you guys on the next, hopefully, helpful video.